Hello, spring. I'm ready for another impossible pie. Well, today we're celebrating the beginning of spring. So when I think of spring, I always think of rhubarb. It's one of the first things that pop up in our garden. I'm going to be making a rhubarb impossible pie. This is part of a springtime collaboration called Hello Spring, hosted by I'm Merely Melissa and Kristy's Farmhouse. Grease a pie pan. And then we're going to add about 3 cups of chopped or stewed rhubarb. You need your blender now. Add 3 eggs. Half a cup of Bisquick. That's what makes it impossible. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of milk. Blend it for a couple minutes. Pour on that blender Bisquick mix. I'm going to make a streusel topping in a small bowl. Half a cup of Bisquick, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of oats, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of grated butter. Blend that together well and sprinkle on that streusel topping. And then you bake it in a 375-degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes. Rhubarb impossible pie! Impossible! What a wonderful way to celebrate spring. To see more fun spring videos, make sure you check the playlist in my description for the Hello Spring collaboration. Thank you, I'm Merely Melissa and Kristy's Farmhouse for hosting. What's the difference between spring rolls and summer rolls? Seasoning.